Hey, sports fans, the Ripper coming back at you, and we ordered a 3-box slot of 2007 Fleer Ultra, and we're going to open up our first box of that 3-box slot here today. We're going to open up 1 box a day, so join me tomorrow. We open up box 2. Should be 1 autographed or game-used card per box here. Have 5 packs, yep. They're really thick packs, boy, I'll tell you that. So, let's see what we find here. These should be really fun to break. I mean, I've been looking forward to getting these because, I mean, for the money you pay for this, to be able to walk away with 5 game-used or autographs, I mean, that's pretty cool. So here we got a Craig Biggio hitting machine, not numbered, but 3000 hit member. Craig Biggio is a cool guy to pull any day of the week. Still need him as an autograph, figuring he's going to be a Hall of Famer one day. So there's Biggio, and the rest of these, what we got? We got an Iron Man. Don't care about that. Oh, we got a rookie, Ultra Rookies, Okamama, whatever, from the Red Sox closer. It's a cool card. Put that aside. So 1 game used. So some people were getting like an autograph out of some of these products, pretty much 1 per box. That made me curious. We got an Iron Man, Ripken, the whole family there. Alright, let's see what we got. We'll squeeze it. Got a Lucky 13 Delman Young. Joe Smith rookie that we're going to use as our squeeze. Swing Kings. Oh, I pulled the wrong one. Swing Kings Frank Thomas. Oakland A's. That's a cool card. 500 home run club member. So that's two really good game use cards there. 3,000 hit club member and a 500 home run club member. Can't argue with that. Base. Lucky 13. Angel Sanchez. We got a Swing Kings Ken Griffey Jr., but there's no patch in it. No card in it, no nothing in it. So we'll see what the card is underneath, and we get an autograph. Who's that? Boof Bonsner. Numbered at least. Wow. Numbered 83 out of 499. Boof Bonsner. Pitcher for the Twins. He had a good year last year. You never know. Still kind of a young guy. I like his. You gotta love his name. Boof. So if that was an autograph, that means these two are probably game used. But again, we've gotten two really good game used out of this. Really liking this product. I tagged it as a high value when I saw it. Jeter base. I see the game used. I saw some kind of pinstripe. Duck Slate rookie. Ooh, a duel. That's very cool card. Luis Gonzalez, dual numbered 111 to 160 with double pinstripe. Luis, of course, had that one great year where he probably shared Sammy's needles. So Luis Gonzalez dual used. That's a cool card. Numbered 2. Yeah. I like this product. I really like this. I might order just get a case for myself. What's this here? Strike K, Dontre Willis. Just an insert. We're on the final pack here for keeping tabs at home. Cool Griffey base card. Always love to get a Griffey base. Travis Buck. And we'll squeeze the game used here. Oh man. Tom Glavine, Faces of the Game. Not numbered, but another guy, 3,000 or 300 wins. That's another Hall of Famer. I mean, I gotta rate this box very high and say first impression of this product is awesome. Got Tom Glavine jersey card, Hall of Famer to be. Luis Gonzalez, dual pinstripe jersey. That's a cool card. Booth Bonsner, autographed. Not a Hall of Famer by any stretch of the imagination, but 83 out of 499 numbered. Not bad. And you got Frank Thomas, Hall of Famer, no doubt, with 500 plus homers. And you got Hitting Machine Biggio, 3,000 hit club number. So that's going to do it for now, folks. That's box 1 of our Fleer Ultra 2007. Box 2 coming up tomorrow. Till then, sports fans, see you in the bleachers.